more of them on the deck of the carrier. Chris going to give us a little demonstration of how the Corsair looks when it folds its wings. Watch those wings fold as soon as he gets clear of the runway. Going to fold them up for us, give us a good look at the airplane with wings folded. We're going to get a picture of this, get the camera ready, and we'll see if we can bring them, how far down the taxiway we can get them with the wings folded. Give Chris a big wave, let him know you enjoyed that performance. Perfectly flown, and here we go, fold those wings. Down the taxiway with the folded wings. Makes a nice picture, an unusual photo of the Corsair with the wings folded.